What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find your Apple ID account credentials. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Since modern-day iPhones running the latest iOS version have a built-in password manager, many users have it enabled without knowing so. This Apple Password Manager is a secure application that safely stores all your login credentials on various applications and websites. To find your Apple ID account via this built-in password manager, open up your settings and scroll down until you find the password section. It should be located above the Mail settings. Tap to open it and proceed to enter your device's security sign-in option or use Face ID to access your passwords. These settings may look a little different on your device, depending on which iOS version you are using. If you wish to update your iPhone to the latest version, then head to your general iPhone settings. Here, under Software Update, proceed to download the latest version before restarting your device. You can then head back to your Password Manager settings. If enabled, you'll see a list of stored login credentials, including your Apple ID account. Select your account to preview your password. If you need your Apple ID password and it's not stored in a password manager on your device, then the next best option is to reset your password and write it down so you don't forget it again. Back in your iPhone settings, tap on your Apple ID account and then navigate to Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. When the security login page pops up, enter your device's passcode and proceed to enter your new Apple ID password. Once done, click on Change and make sure to save it in your password manager so that you don't forget it again in the future. In case you don't have access to your device's passcode, open up your mobile browser and navigate to iForgot.apple.com and click on Reset Password. Enter your Apple ID email address on this page and follow through the steps in order to change your Apple ID password. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.